In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover archived cards and lists in Trello with this super easy tutorial. First, we're going to start by heading over to Trello.com, open up your preferred web browser and type in Trello.com in the address bar, then hit enter. It's a really straightforward process and you'll be guided right to Trello's homepage. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in to your account. Look towards the top right corner of the screen and you'll see the login button. Click on it and you'll be taken to a page where you can enter your login details. Here you can choose to sign in using your email, or to make things even simpler, use your Google account. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option here to recover it. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your dashboard featuring various options and your existing boards. What you'll want to do next is navigate to boards. On the left hand side you should see a sidebar with options. Select boards. This will take you to a page listing all of your boards clearly organized. Once you see all your boards, take a moment to identify the workspace you need to work within. Click on your workspaces to proceed. This section houses all the workspaces you're part of, making it easy to locate the board you're looking for. Now pinpoint the specific board from which you want to recover archived items. Once found, just click on it. This will open your board in its own space, showcasing all the lists and cards visible at first glance. In the upper right corner of your board, you'll see three little dots, often referred to as the menu or more options button. Click on these dots, you'll see several options here, but your focus should be on archived items. Click here and you'll be directed to a space where you can manage these archived entries. First, let's switch to lists. Locate the switch to lists link. With just a click, Trello will show you all archived lists on your board. To bring a list back onto your board, all you have to do is click Send to Board. It's easy and intuitive. Now switch back to cards by clicking on Switch to Cards. Here you will find all the cards that have been archived from your visible board. Again, to restore them, simply find the Send to Board option next to each card you wish to unarchive and click it. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to recover archived cards and lists in Trello. By following these relaxed and straightforward steps, managing your Trello boards should become more efficient and seamless. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.